Hi guys, we'd like to show you a quick demo of the Google Chrome extension that we're working on. We started working on this extension in order to provide an extra tool for the Angular community. The main purpose here is to extend some of the core features that tools like Batarang has to offer. Let's go through the core features of this tool. Um, we're still in development, so you will see a very basic user interface. As you can see, just like Batarang, if I open the Google developer tab, you can see here that the application, the extension is shown here below. Um, I will open it in a new window so it could be more clear. Um, you have a navigation here that has three main tabs: the dashboard, the components, and the scopes. If I will run a Angular-based website or an application, I refresh that. You will see here that we have a dashboard here. The left one is the scopes. You can see that there are still creation of new scope until it being settled on a specific value. You can see here the last 10 digest cycles that happened on the root scope. The vertical axis is in milliseconds. You can see all the watches, that the amount of watches that currently are taking place in the app. Um, you can see here an event log that all the events that happened on all the scopes in the app. You can filter here if you want to see, for example, only the event that happened on the root scope. So you can see we have a broadcast, we have a route change success, etc. Um, you can, if you switch to components, you can see here that you have a tree, all the components that this application has, the application that I am currently monitoring. Um, you can see here if I will click, um, if I click here on one of the component, you can see here that the source code of this component, just like it was written. Um, the person that did this application divided the components into straightforward uh, naming control of directives. Of course, it depends on the app. And you can go through all the services, all the components that I want. Um, Here, excuse me, my computer is a little bit kind of slow. Um, you have all the requires, all the dependencies that this application demands. You can see that I'm using UI Bootstrap and ngRoute. Um, so you can see here below that you have a directive table, all the directive that this application has, and the corresponding video. If I will go to Scope tab, you can see here that I have three that looks very much in the layout just like the last three. Um, I can choose here which scope I want to see the data. Um, Currently, the data is being displayed in a non-masking layout. It's kind of a mess here, but we are still working on it to provide a nice layout of this tab. You can see, just like in Batarang, what is going on with the father, with the parent, all the hierarchy. And go to deeper scopes and get all the data. So, oh, plus in all the tabs, you can see where exactly you are your application in the app. If I just go through this tab in the that I'm monitoring, um, let's see here the number of scopes was changed and the number of watches, new events arrived, and you can see where exactly the specific location in the app. Again, if I go to different app, you can see scopes are being updated until they are finally settled on a specific value. Suggest is being invoked, and new events are being dependent in here. You can see here. So this is the quick demo of this extension. It's very basic at the current moment. We're still working on all the core features. We're working on some to provide a better user interface for the users, and hopefully it will be up and running as open source, and we'll get more extra features. Thank you very much.